If you are seeking ways to improve productivity of your slitting operation, one way is to consider automating your knife positioning process. There are a variety of ways to accomplish this, and each approach differs in its cost and level of complexity. However, when understanding the added benefits of improved knife placement accuracy, faster changeover times, and improved operator safety, the costs are, in most cases, easily justified. When we refer to knives being positioned automatically, we are generally describing systems that use computer-guided actuators to place slitting tooling in designated locations without operator intervention. These typically fall into three main categories. Male knife positioning only are most commonly used to position either score knife holders or razor blade holders. Female knife positioning only are typically used to locate female rings or bottom knife in a rotary shear system, leaving the male or the top knife holder to be positioned by the operator. Third category are systems that place both male and female knives together, using either a common actuator, which requires removal of the web prior to initiating the positioning sequence, or are web-in systems that use two separate actuators to position the knives while the web remains threaded through the machine. Not only will an automatic knife positioning system save valuable time and offer a safer environment for the operator, but will also provide more consistency from run to run and minimize the chance for operator error in positioning the knives. This will result in fewer mistakes, less wasted material, and improved customer satisfaction due to fewer returns and claims, all of which will have a positive impact on profitability. All Parkinson Technologies machines are proudly engineered and manufactured at our U.S. facility in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. For more information about Dusenbery automatic knife positioning systems or other Dusenbery products, please visit parkinsontechnologies.com.